Hello everyone, so I've been out for lunch with the family. I thought I'd do a quick video for one of the subscribers. It is for Tracker, so this one's for you. And his question was, he's just currently bought one buy to let. Is it the right time? Also, is that all he should buy? And I think it's all about, let me put this camera properly. It's all about if it's already a deal, if you know your numbers, if you're looking for a return on investment, yields, whatever it may be you look for. If you're looking at it and let's just say for argument's sake you're looking for 15% return on investment, and you've got to think about, is that cash on cash? Is that up on refinance? Let's just say it's upon 75% loan to value, and make sure you're getting your interest rates correct as well. So let's say 75% at 3.5%. So you're working numbers out and just say, if it's a deal now, it's a deal, right? Why should you wait for Brexit, whatever happens? What happens if Brexit goes through, then there's a massive surge in the property market and the prices shoot up? No doubt you'll be kicking yourself, saying, damn, I should have bought earlier. So just work on the here and now. There isn't no point working on the what ifs and maybes. So remember, if it's a deal now, it's a deal now. If it meets your criteria, don't forget to do your stress tests. It's a deal, right? So hope that helps. Work on your numbers, loan to values, interest rates. If it's a deal, it's a deal. Thank you very much.